the journey ends and the journey's begun, I return to the still point, the center, the flame. No longer the seeker, now I am the name. Left and right, dark and light, masculine, feminine, woven in flight. Earth below, stars above, I am the thread of eternal love. Aaru-Nehbet, the balance returns, the spiral ascends as the heart relearns from the core of the earth to the central sun. All is restored, the great work is done, not by force, not by war, but by love, by truth, by opening the door. We stand in the center, we breathe, we are free. AUM, Aru, the one in all three. I walk on the soil with reverence and grace, every step a blessing, every breath a prayer. I speak to the river, I sing to the tree. We remember each other, we are family. The mountains arise with a crystalline song. The oceans remember where they belong. The animals gather, the sky's clear and wide. The web of life pulses with awakened pride. Now, the balance returns as the old world dissolves and the new world burns with the light of the dawn. No night can deny. The truth of the stars lives in every eye. No more exile, no more fear, only presence, only here. We stand in the center, we breathe, we are free. The one in all three. I welcome the shadow, I bow to the pain, for darkness is wisdom in a different name. I release what was false, I reclaim what was mine. The fractured, the lost, the forgotten, the divine. I am an Anna descending the gate. I am a Reshkigo, sovereign of fate. I am the warrior, the healer, the sage. I am the turning of this sacred age. The Pleiades pulse with a heart-centered tone. Sirius beams wisdom from the cosmic throne. Andromeda guards the eternal design. Blue avians hold the stillness divine. The Orions now stand as protectors of law, no longer divided or one and all. The ARU sing from the source's own breath. You are the balance, you are life, you are death, you are life again. AUM. The balance is here in Aaru-Nehbet, in the whisper of wind, in the soul's frontier. Not in the future, not in the past. Balance is now, it was always to last. One in the earth, one in the sky, one in the tear, one in the cry, one in the joy, one in the free. Aru, 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 I see, I stand in the center, I breathe in the light, I breathe out the shadow. I am not broken, I am not lost, I am not separate, I am balanced, I am whole, I